Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are here to introduce you TheGenius, the latest flagship tool from Dimsport for electronic management remapping. With TheGenius, we are bringing a true revolution to the industry. It's an innovative tool designed to make your job simpler, faster and safer, while meeting the needs of even the most demanding professionals. Are you ready to explore it together? Let's get started. Let's open the case and take a first look at TheGenius. Here it is, the star of our video. This device is the most advanced solution on the market for accessing to electronic management content. 10 inches touch screen. It's like having a tablet in your hands with an intuitive interface that allows you to work quickly and easily. 3 integrated work modes: OBD, Bench and Open. All working methods are combined into a single tool. Fully standalone. One of the key strengths of TheGenius is that it doesn't require a computer to operate. This ensures greater security during delicate operations such as reprogramming, eliminating concerns about crashes or slowdowns caused by the PC. Direct evolution of new Genius and new Trust data. TheGenius raises the performance bar even further. It's a real game changer. Now, let's take a look at what's inside the TheGenius case. The case is sturdy, compact and designed for easy transport. Everything inside is neatly divided into 3 compartments. The central one, where the core of the case is located, the TheGenius device. The upper compartment for the OBD mode, and this section includes the power adapter with 5 interchangeable plugs for different socket types worldwide, the OBD2 cable for vehicle connection, a USB adapter for using all cables from the new Genius series, a USB cable for PC connection, and a slot for the hasp key container and a USB-C adapter. The lower section contains all the accessories for direct electronic management connections in Bench and Open modes. A clamp cable for powering the device via the vehicle battery or a lab power supply, the universal DB44 free wire cable, 5 inserts with free wire extensions featuring terminals of different sizes, DB25 to EDC26 adapter to connect the Rainbow and the Dima Flat, and 2 connectors for the tool's self-test functions. A special feature of the upper compartment is the Dimsport box, designed for master customers. It contains the hasp key, which is required to use the Race Evo software. And don't forget to scan the QR code on the box lid to download the software. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the most important technical features of TheGenius. Wireless connectivity. Thanks to Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.2, you can work anywhere without limitations. The lithium battery allows the tool to be used without being connected to a power source. It helps in recovery operations if the cable is accidentally disconnected during programming. Regular updates. The operating system and the communication protocols are constantly updated to ensure compatibility with the latest developments. Connection. HDB44 connects to the electronic management via the vehicle's existing diagnostic port. DB25 connects via dedicated interfaces to debug connectors or other internal electronic management points. Internet-free operation. TheGenius can be used even without an internet connection, allowing professionals to work in remote locations. Additionally, TheGenius is equipped with advanced sensors that monitor temperature, current and voltage, ensuring safe and stable operation. Now, let's go through the first startup procedure. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. Turn on the device using the power button on the top. Swipe up on the screen to select your preferred language, select your continent and then your region. Connect to a Wi-Fi network to sync updates, application lists, and user permissions. In less than a minute, you will be ready to start working with TheGenius. The homepage of TheGenius is designed to be clear and intuitive. It features three main sections. Activities, the operational core of the tool. Support, everything you need to receive assistance. Dimsport Word, stay updated on the latest news and resources. You can access all functionalities easily. No complicated manuals needed. Activities section, tasks and file management. In the Activities section, you can select the vehicle category you are working on: car, LCV, bike, marine, truck, tractor, OHW, or all vehicles. Once the category is chosen, you have two working modes. Standard modes: select brand, model, type, electronic management, and then proceed to choose the working method. Advanced mode: select the working mode first and then filter by communication protocol, OBD or bench open. In both modes, you can use the electronic management type filter for quicker searches. File management. This section allows you to track all files that have been read, written or identified with easy-to-use search options. Last used, a very useful feature. Here, you can find the history of your last performed operation at a glance. Support section. Tickets. If you are a master customer, you can submit support requests directly from the device. The Dimsport ticket system is fast and reliable, ensuring quick response times. Remote support. Need specific assistance? Connect TheGenius to a PC and activate the screen mirroring to allow technical support to intervene directly on the device. Tutorials. This section includes tutorial videos and manuals, regularly updated to help you make the most of TheGenius. Activations. Here you can check your subscription status, expiration dates, and contact Dimsport for renewals. Dimsport Word section. News. Stay updated on the latest products and developments from the Dimsport Word. Website. With just one click, you can access Dimsport's official website to explore additional resources and opportunities. Thank you for following along. With TheGenius, you're not just improving your work, you're ensuring you always have the best technology at your side. Happy reprogramming and see you next time with Dimsport.